Live from the North Stevenson Avenue News Desk, it's 60 Seconds with Wade and Josh.
I'm Wade. And I'm Josh. Where the news is our second job.
Today we're live with a local farmer that purchased a new 2011 Silverado HD. He's so excited about all the power and new features, he called the newsroom.
Let's go to our correspondent, Donnie Dealmaker, with this breaking story. Donnie, give us the scoop.
We're live with Farmer Fred, and he just picked up his new 2011 Silverado HD, and it's making his life a whole lot easier.
I just picked her up about a week ago. It makes me feel 20 years younger. This is by far the best piece of equipment that I have on the farm.
This is truly an amazing story.
Drive home in the all-new Chevrolet Silverado and take advantage of 0% financing for up to 72 months or giant rebates up to $6,000.
Until next time, for Wade, I'm Josh, signing off from the North Stevenson Avenue News Desk. Stay classy, Dickinson County.
And thanks for stopping by.